What's going on, man? King Richez here, back again with another very important video. Yeah, you see from the title what I'm talking about, and it's the issue of going broke dating, right? We all like to mess around with women, date women, get in relationships, etc, etc. But as a guy, you need to understand, traditionally and for the most part, you are going to be spending a lot of money. Dating and relationships is an expensive hobby and luxury. You need to be very level-headed when you are stepping into this realm, because you know, a female will tend to expect you as the guy to deliver and provide certain things, you know, whether it be entertainment, food, drink, you know, whatever it is, travel, whatever it is, you will be expected to provide those things, and those things will come out of your pocket. Now, there are some females that will say that they're not materialistic, etc, etc, but really and truly, when it comes to all like spending, women expect the guy to pay. And if you are in a situation where your female is paying for you, she will tend to not respect you because you're not fulfilling your role as the provider. Now, I'm not saying that as a guy you shouldn't date at all. I'm just saying if you know you're not financially in a situation to do it, you don't have expendable or disposable income or money in your pocket, then you need to kind of be logical about these things. And every time I've been in a relationship, you know, I've noticed that my bank balance is always gradually decreased, it's always gradually shrank. And then when I'm on my own, you know, my money goes up, because the thing is, as men, we tend to be able to live off very little. We know that it's not really about spending frivolously on irrelevant things. It's in every man's best interest not to be materialistic. It's not about how much money you make, it's how much money you save, how much money you keep. Most females don't operate like that. You know, I know a lot of females that make a lot of money but still seem to be struggling every month. You know, they still seem to have a lot of debts, and that's because they spend excessively, or they have a history of spending excessively. Do you know what I mean? Even women in my own family, I've noticed that they're not very good with money. You know, as soon as it comes in, they've already spent it in their mind. So as a guy, you need to understand, you can't do that. You don't have the luxury of being like that, because in society, men are expected to man up. Like, do you see what I'm saying? We're meant to, you know, have everything under control, especially our finances. Whereas women, when they mess up financially or whatever, they tend to get a helping hand from society, family, friends, etc. People feel sorry for them. I'll ask you this question. How many times have you seen homeless women before? You have to think about it. You don't really see homeless women by themselves on the street. And when you do see a homeless woman, she's usually with a homeless man. Whereas most of the time you see homeless men all the time. Do you know what I mean? That's because society tends to help women more. And another thing I would say as well is that you can fall in the trap of messing with a girl who she doesn't mind spending on you. Like, and because as I said already, women tend to not be very good with money, so they don't mind spending theirs. But when they spend theirs, they're expecting you to spend as much as she is, or even more. If you're falling into that trap, you will still again notice that you will become broke. Dating and relationships is an expense. You will pay, and that's just the way it is. It's always been like that. And if your woman is paying for you, she will more than likely not respect you. That's just the plain and simple fact of it. But anyway, that's King Richez. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you got a subscriber requested video, make sure you hit me up in the PayPal or in the Cashapp. Yeah, watch all my videos. Make sure you like this video and everything else on this channel. And I appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. Take care of yourselves, and I'm out.